The official Stray from the Path Future of Sound t-shirt is a standout piece for anyone who loves combining fashion with bold, musical expression. Stray from the Path, known for their unique blend of heavy, raw sound, has been at the forefront of the alternative and hardcore music scene for years. This shirt, showcasing the iconic band name and a striking design that represents the future of sound, is perfect for fans who want to wear their love for music in style. The bold logo and dynamic artwork draw inspiration from the band's innovative approach to music, offering fans not just a shirt, but a statement piece that echoes the spirit of the band's genre-pushing vision.